Hi there, I'm Vicky and welcome to the CompanySync.io tutorial. Today we're diving into the Mailbox widget, and this is your all-in-one solution for seamless email communication. If you're tired of juggling multiple email platforms, this feature will bring everything together. Streamline your workflow and keep your inbox organized like a pro. So let's get started. First, let's navigate onto the mailbox, and this is through the left side of your screen. You will see Mailbox just below Accounting tab. The inbox is where all the magic happens. Once you've set up your internal email system, think of it as your home base for email communication, designed to feel familiar yet more powerful. Just like your everyday email, you can mark emails like starred or important to prioritize tasks. Access the sent, draft, and trash folders, all of which work similarly with others. It's all in one place, making it easier to manage conversations with your team, clients, or vendors. Whether you're tracking leads, replying to team updates, or confirming contracts, this tab ensures nothing slips through the cracks. If you need to send a quick email, the Compose New Email button feature will make it easy and intuitive. Here, when you click on the Compose New Mail, you get the to and then CC where you're going to send it. Copy the person you want to copy in this email. You have to type in your subject and then the body of the letter. Say, for example, hi there, to Vicky, or you see Kevin. You can send it or save as draft. If you click on Save as Draft main page, it's that simple. Once you're ready, you can just hit the send button. Whether it's quick follow-up or a detailed proposal, this tool makes communication effortless. Now let's talk about the Configuration tab. Here, just below the trash, there's Configuration. Here's what you'll need to do. The Configuration tab is the backbone of your email setup. Username and password provided when setting up your mailbox. You can just put it here, then there, and then your HTML signature. You can customize settings to sync emails across devices and platforms. Once set up, your email system is integrated into CompanySync.io, creating a centralized communication hub for your business. Say goodbye to scattered inboxes and hello to streamlined efficiency. Make the most of the Mailbox widget by organizing your emails in label and with folder, and it helps you stay on top of priorities and keeps your inbox clutter-free. It's like giving your inbox a spa day, who doesn't love that? And there you have it, the Mailbox widget. This is your ticket to organized, efficient, and professional email communication. Whether you're managing internal conversations or reaching out to clients, this widget has everything you need to stay connected and productive. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Vicky, and I can't wait to see you on our next tutorial.